Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, I thought I would bring you an update on Verasity's price. We're going to take a look at the chart because I'm seeing some seriously bullish indicators for Verasity. Veracity, whichever way you want to pronounce it, because I call it Verasity. If it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. I don't want to be too long on this video. I just want to do a quick update on the price chart, show you what I see, because it's looking seriously bullish. Let's start off with this. Actually, before I go any further, I need to let you know, I am not a financial advisor. These are my own personal opinions on the market, so please do your further research before you invest your money. That being said, has to be said, look at the chart. The stochastic RSI in the middle. Now we're looking at Verasity on a weekly time frame. Let me take this one off because I don't want to confuse you. We're looking at this on a weekly time frame for Verasity, whatever you want to call it. And right now, the momentum is looking bullish. And the last time we saw Verasity, whatever you want to call it, it's stochastic RSI down in this area down here, was when it had this massive drop back in May, April-ish. And look what happened. So, I want to show you, I'm going to highlight this bit here because I really think it's important for you guys to understand the power move that is coming to Verasity. And, then you can maybe decide if you think this is going to be a good buy for you or not. So let's dive into this. So we had this huge move up in Verasity's price. We saw the crash of Bitcoin, which kind of pulled everything down with it. And that's what you saw here. And if you was paying attention to this stochastic RSI back then, you would have seen the cross up here. And I always tell you guys who watch my channel, when the red line crosses with the blue line and the red or the orange line is in front, coming downwards, that means the momentum is coming down, and you could see that in the price here as well. Same goes for if it's the other way around. If the blue line, if it crosses and the blue line is in front and it comes up, that's bullish. You can see price action going up, and you can see it in the charts right here. And what kind of move, what kind of percentage did Verasity do when, or Verasity, what you want to call it, what kind of percentage move did it do when it crossed from here and went all the way up here, this momentum that we're seeing, this stochastic RSI? Let's check this. It had a power move of 859%. That's a serious power move. That's like 8 times your money back. 8.5 times your money back. Couldn't even get it out. So why am I showing you this? Because what if it does it again? And I'm seriously paying attention to this, guys. This is powerful. Look at it. We've just crossed with the blue. Well, the cross was down here, but the blue has just crossed this middle area in this sort of mauve, purplish kind of area. And the red looks to be coming up with it. And if this momentum continues to shift up just like what it did back here, and we saw what happened with the prices back then, my God, be prepared. Be prepared for an explosive move in Verasity, because that shows momentum going up. And what if it was to do another 800 and something percent, 850%? I need to bring this down because it's going to be higher. We're definitely going to see a higher high in Verasity's price if it does that. So let me just go from the bottom down here. 850% would sit Verasity's price. My God, it's coming off my screen. Hold on, I'm getting there. 800 and let's call it 840. Here you go. Close to 850%. Verasity could very well be sitting at a price of let's just 16 cents. If it was to do something similar. Don't underestimate the stochastic RSI because this is a powerful momentum indicator. It shows you where price action can go. You could be seeing Verasity sitting at 16.5 pence, or 16.7 cents in the next couple of maybe months, because this is the weekly time frame. So every candle is 1 week's worth of price. Not kind of raw fresh account like Tesco's. Price action. So, I'm keeping my eye on that. Let's just take a look at the RSI as well, because I did have that up and I want to show you something that I see. We have a powerful trend line, and I'm going to draw it for you so you can see what I'm seeing, right? So we've got the price here. Let me just bring this over like this. Here we go. So we've got price action up here. We've got the stochastic RSI, which I helped you understand. Take a look at this. I'm going to draw a white line from up here because it's been in a downtrend for the longest time, right down here. And you're going to see, once this momentum momentum starts to shift up in the stochastic RSI, price action will shift up, and then you're going to see this line right here. Let me, oh, hold on, I need to delete that. This line here is going to start to shift up. I want to make it big so you can see. This is going to start to come up and close towards this white trend line that I've drawn, because it is a powerful trend line. And if Verasity can break it, the sky is clear. The sky is really clear for Verasity to be, maybe making new all-time highs. I'm thinking of something like this. It's going to test it. If it breaks it, my God, be prepared for some serious highs for Verasity. If it gets rejected, then, we may come back down and test, the prices that we're currently sitting at now. I don't know, maybe lower. Time's going to tell. But I'm going to sit back and wait and see, and I'm going to bring you more on this. Just to show you real quick, short-term perspective, because that's kind of like a longish-term perspective, couple of months. In the short-term perspective, this is the daily chart for Verasity VRA, Verasity, and take a look what's happened. I'm using the EMA ribbons, which, if you watch my channel, you understand understand all about them. When the yellow line is on top, is bullish. When the yellow line is underneath, is bearish. When you see the cross in these EMA ribbons, it signals a trend reversal, which means when we saw the cross back in, November, December, this was bearish momentum, and Verasity had a hard time trying to break back above it. It kept resisting. But recently, guys, we've just seen Verasity break above this EMA ribbons, and it's holding support. So this is a good look. This means that, should these candles continue to play out and keep holding support off of this yellow line down here, as long as we don't break, let me bring this down a bit. As long as we don't break 2 cents, 0.27 cents, Verasity is bullish. This is going to be continuing to go up, and it would do just like what it did in the last time we saw the reversal come up. So look, here's another cross in the tangle. See the tangle in the ribbons? And look what happened. It rode it like a wave. The price action just came up, was bouncing off it. Maybe it came down a little bit here, but it bounced off it again. And this is what I'm expecting to see with Verasity in the future. So let's keep an eye on it and see what happens. Guys, if you're new to my channel, drop that like, give me a subscribe. I'm going to leave it here. Short, sweet, and simple. Just wanted to show you what I see. If you want me to bring some technical analysis on your coin that you like, drop the comments. Let me know what coin you want me to do it on. I'll be happy to do it, because I want to bring more TA. I want to show you guys what I see in the charts, because they seem to be doing well. If you haven't seen it, check this video here. Huge Bitcoin crash update. It's important for everyone. If you haven't seen this mega alt wave coming, check them out. These are the videos you want to see. So I'm going to leave it here. Thank you for watching. Oh, before I go, if you want to become a patron, I got 7 tiers. Take your pick. I recommend going for my exclusive VIP partner tier. Let me open it up. This one here, because this one gives you all my alerts. You can see when I buy, when I sell, when I stake, when I IDO, all that stuff. It's all in there. If you want that little bit more, go for my CEO tier. That's the next one above. It gives you my super alerts. You get access to my VIP Telegram group, get it out, where I talk to them in that group way before I do anything. It's all in there. You got big money, big crypto profile users sharing great ideas, great projects, and yeah, you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Cheers.